How to reset your Instagram Explore page. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to reset your Instagram Explore page. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So Instagram's Explore page is individually customized for every separate person. However, sometimes when browsing on Instagram's Explore page or feed, you may see strange or irrelevant content that's not applicable to you. When you start seeing this content, it's a good idea that you need to reset your Instagram Explore page by clearing your browsing data. Then Instagram will remove all of its collected data and will start showing you content related to your newest searches and entries. So follow these steps to reset your Instagram Explore page. So first, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device and then head over to your profile. Once in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Settings. When you're in Settings, tap on Account. And then when you're in this menu, tap on Browser Settings. Here the top option is for browsing data, so if you clear this, it will clear your cookies and cache from the websites you visited while using Instagram. This will delete all of your search history and your Instagram Explore page will be reset. And that's all it takes to reset your Instagram Explore page. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.